We all want to use AI tools for free, I know. However, this comes with the issue of watermarks. But don't worry, I have found an amazing tool that allows you to create videos in 3D for free and without watermarks. You're curious, aren't you? Then let's get started. I'll show you how to create 3D animation using just one tool without needing anything else. You can access MagicLight from the link I've left in the description. There, you will also find examples of the types of videos you can create. You can even watch some MagicLight-generated videos below. Now, let's quickly sign in and start creating our video. You can sign up for MagicLight easily with your email, without needing to provide any credit card details. Once logged in, you will see two options: creating a video or creating a character. You can use the platform for both purposes comfortably. Pay attention to this part. MagicLight gives you 300 credits upon your first login. Let's click here and take a quick look at the plans. There are 4 different subscription plans. Right now, we are using the free plan. The monthly and yearly plans are quite affordable, and MagicLight even offers a 120% discount on annual subscriptions. If you like the free version and need more credits, you can check out the packages. Now, I'll click on the Create AI Video button. Without needing any additional tools or writing a script in ChatGPT, I will create a 3D animation video directly in MagicLight. Like other AI tools, its interface is quite user-friendly. On the left menu, we select the size of the video we want to design. Then we choose the language. I'll select English. Next, you can choose the style of the video you want to create. I will proceed with 3D. At this stage, there are 2 options for generating the text of our story. The first option is letting MagicLight generate a prompt for us. The second option is pasting our own text, whether it's something we wrote ourselves or a story generated by ChatGPT. Since we want to test this tool without using any additional ones, we will let MagicLight create the prompt. There are also example ideas below, which you can try. You can refresh these suggestions or enter your own idea for the tool to generate a prompt. I wrote a short idea. A young inventor named Zeno and his robot friend Tika join the time repairers team when their clock breaks and end up traveling through time. Let's see how AI generates a prompt for us. We click Generate and wait. MagicLight has now created an entire story from the single-sentence summary I provided. It will generate one image for each sentence in the story, forming the video. You can remove or edit any parts you don't like. If you don't like the format of the story or want to change your idea, you can click Back to Edit and modify your input to generate a new script. Now, let's move forward and start creating visuals. In the next step, MagicLight opens a customization screen for the characters in our story. Let's customize the first character together. You can either choose from existing character templates or create a new one. For example, I can define Zeno by specifying his age, voice, gender, and whether he is young or old. This way, the characters in our story can be fully customized. If we want to create a brand new character from scratch, we can change their name, gender, and even determine if they should be human, an animal, or an object. We can also adjust details such as age, hairstyle, skin tone, and eye color. If you have an AI-generated character image from another tool, you can upload it here to create your character quickly. I've made my selection and confirmed it. I'll repeat the same steps for the other characters. Once all character selections are done, I click Next at the top and continue. Now, MagicLight generates visuals that match the flow of the story using the characters I selected. All visuals for the story are now ready. At this stage, MagicLight allows us to make final adjustments. On the left menu, we can adjust the voice speed, either speeding it up or slowing it down. If we don't like the voice assigned to a character, we can change it here. Now, let's talk about the visuals. When we click on an image, we can see that it changes. If there's a picture that doesn't match the text, you can edit it. You can also modify the text displayed in the video or change the voiceover for a character. If you don't like a character's design, you can also modify it from the right side menu. After completing all the adjustments, the only thing left to do is click Animate and wait for the video to be generated. Once we click Animate, MagicLight presents 4 different options for animating character speech. Each option consumes different amounts of credits. In one of my previous videos, I compared 3 AI tools for character animation. I'll leave the link in the description if you're interested. Among the options here, I will try Animate Pro since it allows a one-time free trial. After clicking OK, we get a warning. To avoid time loss, subtitles should be kept under 40 characters. We can either adjust this manually or let AI do it for us. I'll let AI handle it. This may lead to some changes in the story, so if you are manually writing a script, you might want to keep this character limit in mind. Now, MagicLight creates a preview of how our characters will look and move while talking. After reviewing it, we click Next to proceed with finalizing our video. In the last step, we can choose a thumbnail image for our video. We can also edit the text on the thumbnail, adjust subtitle settings, or select the No Subtitle option if we want a version without subtitles. Additionally, we can choose background music from the available options. After listening to the tracks, we can pick one that suits our video. Once I've made all my selections, including the thumbnail, subtitle settings, and music, I can proceed. The available music options are somewhat limited, so if you want more variety, you can download the video and later add different music using tools like CapCut. I click Generate right away and wait for my video to be created. After about a 2-minute waiting period, our video is ready. Here we can preview it. If we want to download our video, we can proceed by clicking the Submit button. Let's preview it first and then download it.
Zeno, a lanky youth with grease-stained fingers and eyes that shone with restless curiosity, tinkered in.
At this point, I realize that the music is too loud, so I immediately go back and change my selections. I click OK to proceed and navigate to the background music option. Here, I can either remove the background music entirely or lower its volume. However, I decide to continue without music. I follow the same steps again, and the video is recreated. This time, I click Submit, and let's watch it together. Then download it.
Zeno, a lanky youth with grease-stained fingers and eyes that shone with restless curiosity, tinkered in his workshop. Beside him, Tika, a small, agile robot with glowing blue optics, hummed quietly, assisting with the intricate clockwork mechanisms scattered across the workbench. Their latest project, a miniature time travel device, no bigger than a pocket watch. Zeno wasn't just building gadgets. He was obsessed with understanding time itself. His fascination bordered on the spiritual. He believed time wasn't a river, but a tapestry, woven with threads of moments, some frayed, some missing. One stormy night, a clandestine message arrived, encoded in a series of rhythmic chimes only Tika could decipher. Zeno met secretly, beneath the observatory. There, he met the Time Fixers, a secret society dedicated to preserving the integrity of history. Their leader, a stern but kind woman named Anya, revealed that a malevolent force, the Chronos Shadows, was manipulating time, creating paradoxes, and altering key historical events for their own nefarious purposes. Zeno and Tika were immediately recruited. Their miniature time travel device, though still experimental, was precisely what the Time Fixers needed. Their first mission, 1888 London. A crucial moment in the development of a revolutionary scientific theory was vanishing, replaced by a gaping hole in the timeline. The Chrono Shadows were erasing the evidence, rewriting history to suit their own twisted agenda. Traveling to the foggy streets of Victorian London, Zeno and Tika found themselves amidst a scene of chaos. The laboratory where the groundbreaking work was being done had been mysteriously destroyed. Using Tika's advanced sensors, they uncovered subtle temporal anomalies, shimmering distortions in the air, whispers of what should have been. Zeno, with his sharp intellect and intuitive understanding of mechanics, managed to reconstruct fragments of the missing data, piecing together the crucial scientific breakthroughs before they were completely erased. The Chrono Shadows appeared, their forms flickering like heat haze, their motives shrouded in mystery. A tense battle ensued, a clash of wits and technology. Tikka's agility and Zeno's ingenious inventions proved a formidable match against the Shadow's temporal manipulations. Zeno discovered that the Shadows weren't merely erasing moments. They were feeding on the energy of significant historical events, growing stronger with each stolen piece of time. After a thrilling chase through the twisting alleys and hidden passageways of London, Zeno and Tikka managed to restore the missing scientific theory, sealing the temporal rift and weakening the Chronos Shadows. They returned to the present, exhausted but victorious. Their success was a stepping stone.
We have created a 3-minute story consisting of 29 different storyboards. Moreover, we can download our video completely free and without any watermarks and use it anywhere we want. Without worrying about lagging issues, MagicLight also saves us from the need for additional tools such as voiceover or video editing software, allowing us to create our video easily within a single interface. While watching the video, we saw that the characters remained consistent and there were no inconsistencies throughout. You can also try MagicLight for free using the link I left in the description. Don't forget to share your experiences and comments. If you've watched the video this far, don't forget to like it and subscribe to my channel.